Applying to be a Dasher? Here's how to track your application every step of the way. The quickest way is through the DoorDash Dasher app. After submitting your application, log in and navigate to the Application Status tab. Alternatively, you can check the status on the DoorDash Dasher website dashboard. Look for updates like under review, background check pending, vehicle inspection required, or activated. Recent improvements mean most applications are processed in 3 to 7 days, thanks to AI-driven preliminary reviews. If your application is stuck, make sure you've submitted all required documents, like your driver's license and proof of insurance, to avoid delays. The DoorDash application process consists of 4 main stages: submission, review, background check, and activation. Background checks, often handled by third-party services like Checker, screen for criminal history and driving records to ensure safety. Keep in mind that delays can occur due to high application volumes, incomplete submissions, or issues with background checks. To avoid delays, promptly resubmit any missing information. As of 2025, DoorDash reports a 70 to 80% approval rate. A fast-track option is available for those with prior gig experience. If you experience a false positive or error, DoorDash has implemented integrations to resolve it. Make sure to keep track of your application status and dispute anything that may be incorrect.